guys, Callum here from Low and Slow Basics. With winter approaching, I thought what's better than lamb shanks? We're going to keep it nice and simple today, just cook it on the kettle using the snake method. I'm not going to go too fussy with these, I'm just going to trim a little bit of shitty fat off there that I don't like the look of. Because today it's Sunday and we're going to try and take it easy today. I reckon that's pretty good. Let's not be too fussy today, guys. A little bit of olive oil. This is going to help bind. Left hand for wet, right hand for dry. Alright. Dried rosemary. Use fresh, whatever you want. This is easy. Lamb and rosemary. Just works, doesn't it? Garlic powder. You put on as much as you like. I like giving a nice liberal coating. Celery salt. Nice savoury flavour. Beautiful. How good that look? Now I did stuff up here. I'm going to have to crack this pepper quickly. Black pepper, because black peppers are well, I say. Alright. Yeah, how good's that? Right, I'm going to let these sit for half an hour just to come down to room temp. And then I'm going to show you how to set up a snake method in the kettle. You've probably seen it before, but we'll show you how to do it anyway. We'll be back. I just do 2 on the bottom, 2 on top. Simple as that. Stack them up as nice as you can. These are the Olive Pipco briquettes. Always work well, nice and clean. I've got what, 10 bricks there or something. Put them in place. Stack them up so they can start moving on. The idea is to stack them up so it works kind of like a candle, I guess you could say. Just going to burn its way along nice and slow. Now, got some boiling water. Helps keep it moist. Yeah. Oh, don't forget some she oak chunks from Natural Smoke. These are new. I'm going to chuck 3 in there. This on top. Chuck our Shanks in over here. No temperature probes today because it's Sunday and it's Shanks. It's going to be fine. We're going to braise it later on. Alright. I'm going to leave this wide open. Take this little guy off. Wide open at the bottom. And wide open at the top. Make sure you get your spritzer bottle out the way so I don't burn. That's it. Right, they've been in there for about 3 hours. This is what I'm looking for. They've started coming away from the bone, but they're still really tough. So I'm going to take them out the Weber now. You can leave them in there if you like, but we've got to go out and we get the same outcome. Because it's just going to be going in the broth now. Now, just so you don't waste all your coal, just separate the lit stuff from the unlit stuff. You can still use it, it's still fine. That's why I just make my snakes a bit bigger. There we go. And reuse them later. I'm also going to reuse this. Right, we've got some carrots, onions and garlic. I always like building up some flavour, so I always sear off my veggies first, just get a bit of colour. I'm going to use some braising liquid. Today I'm using Rossa Valley's chocolate coffee stout. Delicious. One for me and some for the lamb. And a nice bath. Alright. Yeah. I'll just put a bit of water in there. About a cup of water as well. Just top it up. There we go. Yeah, they're more bathing. That's about it, I think. Now the oven, I've just got it set at like 125 on fan forced. Tuck it in. What you want to do here is you want to seal all that flavour in, and it's going to help just to break down all the connective tissue and all that tough meat that's in the shanks. That becomes so good once it's slow cooked. Chuck it in, top here. That's going to go in for a few hours. We'll check in a few hours and we'll see how we go. Right, it's been about 3 hours in the oven now. So I thought, why not have a look? It's almost dinner time. Oh, it smells delicious, I'll tell you that much. Shut that up. Another sneak peek. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful. I'll just turn the lights on. There we go. Oh, how much better is that? These are pretty much ready. I'm going to actually leave them there for a bit longer. Let's get all these carrots and stuff in the mix. I'm going to actually flip them over so the other side can get some juice. But you know what? Look at that. That's a spoon. They are pretty much ready to go, man. Spoon. Let's not, take it apart too much. Put this side in there. Flip this guy. Oh, how good does this look? Tell you what, that she oak wood. Smelling good. It's got a nice liquor smoke on it. Carrots. And that stout. Look at that. Beautiful. Right. Put it back in the oven. We'll be back. I've had some second thoughts. It's a little dry. I'd like a little bit more moisture, so I've just got this bone broth that me and my wife made. We usually get like a quarter of a cow as soon as we can. We like to support local farmers. This is just cooking bones and vegetables down low and slow for a long time until you get this beautiful mixture. I think that's good. That's looking a bit better. Yeah, now it can swim. Alright, I'm going to chuck that back in for another hour or so. And then we'll start reducing it. Be back. We are complete. We have some smoked and stewed lamb shanks. Okay, get these out of this juice, because this is going to be our gravy. Gravy, jus, whatever you want to call it. Right, put it in a pot. Well, I'm stingy, so I'm going to reuse this tray, because you've got to be frugal right now, because we're in the middle of a pandemic. Okay.
It's good for the earth.
It is. Steak mixer. Let's turn it on, eh? Right. Right, just wait until you get a nice smooth texture. That's good. Always taste your food. This is for me and wife, so I always just use fingers. Oh, I like pepper. Bit of pepper. That's nice and thick. You put it whatever texture you like. That's how I like it. Okay. Look at that plate. Now you can't have lamb shanks without mashed potato, I'm sorry. It's a rule. So. Wheel it up. Pop on top. Voila! How's that look? Now just to show you, that's just have a look how well that's cooked. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's pretty good, yeah? Give it a shot. It's winter. Enjoy yourself.